it's me again. So in today's video, we're going to be doing an extremely messy spring clean with me and Maddie. Woo! Oh, you guys can't see her, but come here. Say hey. Gonna help me clean up today. But yes, you guys, like, my house is a mess. Yes, I cringe at the thought of showing you guys that, but trust me, it does not look like this every single day because I don't play that. But when you have kids, it's just hard. You clean up one thing and then you turn around and then they dirty again. So I don't like that. So we've had guests over for the past 2 weeks, but now that they're gone, it seems like the house got messy again. We did do some spring cleaning before we had guests, like we cleaned the cabinets and disinfected and dusted and everything, but I would like to do that again and I would like to record it, so that video will be coming up hopefully in the next 2 weeks or so. But in today's video is going to be a real quick spring cleaning, just getting things in order, dusting here and there. You say hi. Hey. Say hi. Yeah. So yes, so that video is going to be coming soon. And today's video is going to be quick. It's going to be really quick, and I'm going to get some dusting, cleaning, disinfecting, all that done. So this might be a long video, but I hope you guys get your sodas, your popcorn, your snacks ready and get comfortable because we're about to clean for you guys. So are you ready?
It's going to be a movie.
It's going to be a movie? Yeah, with as much stuff as I have to clean up. Tell me about it. Are you guys ready? Are you ready? Alright, so without any further ado, let's get it. So what I want you to do is to move your toys and bring any plates that are on the aisle. Bring it to the sink, okay? Now you go take care of that while I get the dishes in order, okay? Okay. Alrighty. See how she's supposed to be helping me? She's having a little dance break. Go, girl. Go, go. Get it, girl. Woo! Uh-oh. Go, mama. Woo! Go, mama. Woo! You slap yourself with the ponytail. Get closer.
Yes. This close?
Mm-hmm. Okay, just go around. Okay, be careful so you don't get the couch wet. Good job! Yay!
What else can I spray?
Alright, let me finish straightening up and I can let you spray some more, okay? There you go. Ooh, Tristan, be careful. Careful. Is that funny? Is Sissy cleaning up funny? Get it, girl. Oh, be careful. Natalia got chores already, y'all.
Tell me a lot of stuff to do. I don't have enough juice, so I need to spray here, okay?
Okay. Enough juice. Be careful. Don't step in it so you don't fall. There you go. That's it. My girl. You're so silly. Alright, so we're about to finish up. Get this floor nice and clean. And we'll catch you guys
later.
Get it, boo. Get it, baby. Yeah.
I'll spray.
Okay. Good job, baby. Get the floor skin dry. You're so cute. You're such a great helper too, Bubs.
This floor is still a little bit sticky, so I might have to run over it one more time with some juice.
Later. Oh my gosh, I told you guys this was going to be a long clean with me because it just seemed like we had a lot to clean up. The dishes and over there on the toy area, it's just like non-stop. But I still have a few things to get done before it gets too late, because I actually have to get the kids ready for bed. But I still have to put up the laundry. I still have to fold up the laundry. I do want to do a separate video pertaining to cleaning the closets and stuff, because I do want to get rid of some of my clothes, because pretty much summer is here for us because it's wicked hot already. So I want to go through and get rid of some clothes that don't fit me anymore, or that I'm not going to wear, that's out of my style now. So I do want to do a declutter with me closet edition, so that will be coming soon if you guys are interested. I do have to organize my linen closet because my baskets are getting a little full, so I just want to do like an organization type of video. So if you guys are interested in that, let me know as well. And then pretty much that's it. What's crazy about all of this is only the first level, like the living room, kitchen area, were messy. Hold on. The kids' room are pretty clean, and it's crazy because I mean, well, they've been sleeping in it lately, but their rooms are really clean. How, Sway? How? It's because we spend most of our time down here together, so and then we cook all the time, and that's, you know, it's just real life, you know, it's real life. So I'm just glad that it's not messy anymore, and let's pray. Let's pray, send them some prayers that it stays clean. I can't stand a dirty house, y'all. I cannot. But when you got kids,
it gets messier.
Yeah. It does. I know. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys would like some more, let me know down below, and I'll be sure to do those for you guys in this house, because we will be moving soon. We're going to be moving soon. So if you guys would like more clean with me videos in this house, let me know, because we will be moving. So once we are moving or moving to our new house, I can't wait. So once we move into our house, I'll be doing some clean with me videos. I'll be doing some home improvements, because we plan on painting and doing all this other stuff with our new house. So I cannot wait. Like, I cannot wait. So I want to bring more home content on my channel, because that is my new, that's gonna be my new thing. Like, I'm so excited. My Pinterest board is like crazy right now, so I'm super excited. I'm sorry to ramble. I just wanted to let you guys know those things. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this type of video, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
Click the subscribe button. Follow us on Instagram,
Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and make sure you're subscribed on this channel.
And And follow us on Pinterest too.
Okay, my little social media girl. Alright, you guys. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Adios.
Adios. Bye.